everyone, welcome back to our channel. Your go-to channel for the latest tech tips, tricks and reviews. Today we're diving into the top 10 best Windows apps every student should have in their toolkit, whether you're in high school, college or university. These apps will boost your productivity and help you stay organized. So let's get started. First up, we have OneNote. OneNote is an incredibly powerful note-taking app from Microsoft. It lets you organize your notes in notebooks, sections, and pieces. You can type, draw, and even record audio notes. Plus, it syncs across all your devices, making it perfect for keeping track of class lectures and study notes. At number 2, we have Microsoft To Do. Staying organized can be a challenge, but Microsoft To Do helps you manage your tasks with ease. Create to-do lists, set reminders, and track deadlines for your assignments and exams. It's simple, intuitive, and integrates well with other Microsoft apps. Grammarly. For those who want to improve their writing, Grammarly is a must-have. This app checks your spelling, grammar, and even style. It's perfect for writing essays, reports, and even emails. Grammarly ensures your work is polished and error-free. Online classes and virtual meetings are the norm now, and Zoom is the best app for that. It's reliable for video conferencing, screen sharing, and recording meetings. Perfect for attending lectures, study groups, or catching up with friends and family. Evernote is another great note taking app that offers more flexibility. You can save web pages, images, and even PDFs. Organize your notes with tags and notebooks, making it easy to find everything later. It's perfect for extensive research and project management. Next up, we have Khan Academy. If you need extra help with your studies, Khan Academy is your go-to app. It offers free courses on a wide range of subjects, from math and science to history and economics. Learn at your own pace with video tutorials and practice exercises. Next up, we got Adobe Acrobat Reader. Handling PDFs is a common task for students, and it is the best tool for it. View, annotate, and sign PDF documents with ease. Whether it's reading research papers or submitting assignments, this app has got you covered. For all of your media needs, VLC Media Player is a versatile choice. It plays almost all kinds of videos or audios file format, great for watching lecture recordings, listening to podcasts, or even enjoying a movie during your break. Last but not least, Trello is perfect for project management and organization. Create boards for your classes, projects, or personal tasks. Add cards, due dates, and checklists to keep track of your progress. It's visually appealing and highly effective. And there you have it, the top 10 Windows apps for students. These tools will help you stay organized, productive, and ahead of the game. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.